All right, so in order to install the slide, currently you're going to need to fully extend the slide. And on this portion of the slide, you'll notice that there's a tab that's right here. That tab needs to be pushed down or up depending on your orientation, and then pull that portion of the slide out. And we're going to go ahead and insert that. And now we've got two sections. I'm going to set down the hook section, little pieces here that are used to be able to sandwich this particular L bracket between the inside and outside of the shelf. So currently, I'm going to set that down, grab one of those brackets and two screws and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. And I'm going to insert one of those screws into one of the holes on that plate. And then I'm going to hold this up while inserting it into the L bracket that's on the physical slide body, and thread that in there. Get one screw in, and then I'll do the other one like that. I'm gonna leave it loose for now until I get the other one on. You don't want to just let this dangle. Grab that same opposite plate, and then we're going to stick that on the outside and make sure it lines up with the other side, otherwise the back can be offset. A good way to do that is to look at the rungs on the wire here, and you can kind of see based on the rungs if it's level from front to back. All right, we've got one screw in. Well, I thought I did. And then now, once we get the screws partially, we can take our hand off of it and then proceed with tightening. So now we're going to go through and try to tighten up this one side, and then we'll go to the other side. You want to make sure that the slide's level when we're up to put a level on the slide if you're trying to be making sure that they're perfect. And that looks pretty good from that side. And then now we're going to tighten up the front half. And then one more screw. Once this is fully tightened, we're going to take that hook section of the slides, or the slide, and on this particular side, you've got the physical slide piece. You want that side facing against this, so I'm going to turn it this way with that cath card mount on the front here, and we're going to put these features that are on here right into the grooves that are in the slide. Right here, it's a little gray plastic piece at the front half. And we're just gonna try to guide that in there as level as we possibly can until we hear it click. And then now we should just be able to pop it in place, and now it's locked.